Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the fourth episode of our drone videography series. Today, we're diving into the key technical variables that define your visual aesthetics: speed, altitude, and frame rate. To create truly cinematic drone footage, it takes more than just good framing. You need to understand how flight speed, altitude, and frame rate work together, as these core settings fundamentally set the tone and mood of your video. First, let's talk about controlling flight speed. Your drone's speed dictates the pacing and visual stability of your footage. A slow speed of 2 to 7 miles per hour, or roughly 1 to 3 meters per second, creates a calm, poetic feel. It's ideal for subject-focused vlogs, architectural details, or peaceful landscapes. Moving at 9 to 13 miles per hour provides a stable, rhythmic pace that works great for general travel videos, natural scenery, and coastlines. High speeds above 15 miles per hour offer dynamic, fast-paced visuals, making them perfect for tracking vehicles, action sports, or fast movement. Here's a quick tip: take full advantage of the Cine mode, built into modern drones. It softens stick sensitivity, making precise, slow speed control much easier. Next, let's look at how altitude shapes your framing. Higher altitudes let you capture vast landscapes, but they also lessen depth of field and the connection with ground subjects. A low altitude of 30 to 100 feet keeps a natural eye-level perspective with your subject, which is great for close-up shots. Just ensure your obstacle avoidance sensors are active. An altitude of 130 to 200 feet offers the perfect balance between background and space, making it ideal for tracking and orbit shots. Flying above 250 feet delivers breathtaking, expansive views, but you will lose fine subject details and face stronger wind currents. Also, remember that under FAA regulations in the United States, drones must stay below 400 feet above ground level, unless flying near a structure. Going higher requires special authorization. Third, let's cover frame rates and shutter speeds. Frame rate determines how smooth your movement appears and how natural the motion blur looks. 24 frames per second produces a classic cinematic motion blur, making it the industry standard for emotional storytelling. 30 frames per second offers a clean look for standard broadcasts and web platforms, while 60 frames per second provides ultra-smooth motion that can be slowed down by half in post-production. Rates of 120 frames per second or higher are used for high-speed slow motion, capturing subtle details like water splashes or fast sports action. Don't forget the 180-degree shutter rule for natural motion. Blur: set your shutter speed to double your frame rate. For example, use 1/150th of a second for 24 fps, and 1/1120th for 60 fps. Fourth is matching your gimbal angle with flight direction. When flying fast, keeping the camera angle horizontal expands your field of view for a sweeping, open feel. Conversely, flying slowly while tilting the camera downward highlights textures and patterns on the ground for an artistic touch. To prevent gimbal shake caused by wind resistance during high-speed flights, adjust your gimbal pitch, speed, and smoothness settings in advance. Finally, here is a quick summary of recommended cinematic settings. Use Cine mode or manual control for smoother sticks, and lock your ISO at 100 to minimize digital noise. Set your shutter speed to double your frame rate, and always use ND filters ranging from ND8 to ND64 during daytime shoots to maintain proper exposure. Cinematic drone footage isn't just about what you shoot. It's about how smoothly you control speed, altitude, and frame rate. Apply these foundational metrics to match your shooting conditions on set. In our next video, Drone Videography Part 5, Common Shooting Mistakes to Avoid, we'll cover typical beginner errors and how to prevent them. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.